Can't defuse.
3, 2, 1, game on! Rob's making a run to the right. Every single one of them else is going to the left, except for Andrew following Rob.
Right.
There is 2 on the right and 4 on the left.
Great idea. Right, get the door. Right, get on the door.
This is where you position. Just go over there.
I'll just lie here. You go there.
I'll get it, Andy, for you.
Do it.
Do it.
No, I'm not.
I'm going to give him a chance.
Shoot him in the
Oh,
cheek.
take him in.
For fuck's sake, it's not. Who's running to us?
Ben and Jill are in that colorway there. Well, Ben's behind the tree. Jake, go out and begin. Get footage of all of them.
Oh, hello, cameraman. Hi. Yeah, I'm going to try and shoot a few of them. Oh. We're about to seize.
Oh, holy shit.
Die.
Hello. Yeah, it's me.
Alright, mate. Not working at all. You put it in the right way. Down the bottom there. Go, I'll cover you. Go, Luke, go. Yeah, got him! Get back in here then.
Now, where's Stereo?
Steve's got answer to command, that's it. Who's been hit?
Huh?
Who's been hit?
Steve.
Ask Steve, he has to listen to commands.
No, he doesn't.
Yeah, he does.
He can't say anything.
No, not unless you ask him. He's got to listen because he kept hostage, isn't he? Bring him in here, we'll keep him hostage.
No, it's fine.
God, it'd be funny as fuck.
I think I can see it, Derek. I see it! I love you long time. What's over there? Take the rock. Whoa! Make sure Ben doesn't get the key.
Don't fuck.
Is that hitting your gun?
Huh?
Is it hitting your gun?
Huh?
Is it hitting your gun?
What?
The bullet.
Is that worse? Yeah. Forget this fucking, you know?
I got Andrew from here! Stand up, Andy, call for medic, mate!
Fuck you too, asshole.
No, I don't. I think it's overheating. Alright, so I'm just going to leave it, alright? I'll spot you.
Blow on it.
Jerry, you hit!
I just hit him then. Checking for Giles on my own.
No, you can't. Boundaries. Remember boundaries, Luke! Remember the boundaries! Luke, come here.
I managed to get Andrew when he was down the cover.
I think my battery's overheating, alright? So I'm just going to let it cool, but I'm fucking
I
to
reckon gives a trip.
Luke, get in!
They're not going to fucking get me, let's be honest.
They're not even firing. Giles is doing your firing and
Ben-
Funny
Don't video them, they're all in a dip. And video Jill as well.
Ben just moved somewhere.
Why, follow me.
No, don't.
Just follow me.
Ben's there. Ben's there. Luke, get him.
Let's go, guys! Luke's coming up!
Yeah, you stay here anyway.
Oh, alright. I didn't even have to fucking like it! What are you running for? He's not getting his hand. Hold it, last side.
Yeah.
Steven's still down here, you know.
Yeah, we go.
Yours are sat down. Hey, bring us a cup of tea, boys. You're down to go back to the party. Get out the go.
All I did was that, and they warned off.
I try and get a laser pointer in their eyes.
Have you got a laser?
How did you get that soldier? Came to mine.
Giles is still in that sniper bomb.
No, he needs to run over to them.
Yeah, he's back.
What is that?
He's on that tree there. Do it along the ground.
No.